Now, something super important that we will need is basically to have multiple sub-projects for the same one. Okay, let's say we want to have an email sequence only for the enrichment people. For people that didn't visit the enrichment page. Okay, so we can go to the main project. We actually need to wait for the status to be done so we can actually do the sub-project. Okay, so it's done. We click on action, add a sub-project. Make sure you only use lowercase, okay, and without no spaces. Match your hash, enrich. Okay, now you see we have another sub-project that is also under the same pixel. But now what we can do is do a different include exclude for that. So we go to the main project, okay, never to the open or clickers. This is done automatically. You always go to the main project. You click on or the sub project in that matter. Click on action, include settings, and here you can see. And okay, we don't have an enrichment segment over here, but you can understand the situation, right? You will have enrichment and you can choose a not enrichment in that case. We click start sync, and now this list will have a different automation than this one. So if you will say you have like we explained before, someone is selling pets food, so he got dogs and he got cats. In that way, with sub project, you can separate them and do a separate marketing and Facebook audience retargeting, syncing audience automatically based also on the pages or basically on the triggers, include, exclude you set up for each one. And based on that audience name, you can set inside of Facebook different ad sets, so your ad sets will be super targeted and based on the pages they visit. Really important. Some of you guys are also doing in marketing. So if you want to do an A/B testing or to actually separate that, not to do syncing, what you should do is you click action, sub project, match your hash in market, create. And now here I will not do an include exclude settings, but every week I will go here in market import, and I will choose the same file DDT gives you. After you open it from the RAR, you have a CSV file. You do not do anything to that file. You just import it to here, and only people with scored with 7.5 and up will be imported to the system. This is done manually, and you're doing it weekly or whenever you get your file. But the email campaigns you will do here in the email retargeting, just I will show you so you will understand. Now you have much more projects, right? So we can start actually segmenting more and targeting people and doing campaigns directly only for people in marketing, or only for people that wasn't on the enrichment page. Okay, makes sense?